Hi, this is Revolution Data Systems. I'm going to show you a new feature in ApplicationXtender Web Access 20.3. This feature is called Redaction Templates. First, I select the selection rectangle to create a redaction. And then I use the selection tool to first select and double-click that redaction. Now I need to hit the check mark for redaction as well as filled, and now I can change some of the settings here, such as color for the line as well as color for fill. I can also change the line width. Once I've done that, I can select Save to Template. There's a 35 character limit. I'll call this one dark/light blue. And I click OK. Now I select the redaction tool again and draw a new shape. Once again, I use the selection tool to select that redaction. And now I can click the new redaction template button and select the redaction template I just made. It applies those same settings to this redaction. This allows you to create up to 3 redaction templates so that you can apply them if you use similar colors over and over. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.